very slippery. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's a great afternoon, sunny. You can see we are ready and we are here in Waterfall, and Azan is very happy as usual whenever we are outside. And today we are going to another dam. Last week we went to one dam, it was closed, but we didn't lose the hope. See, Azan also didn't lose the hope, and today we are going to Suhaila Dam, and it's only like 12 minutes far from here. We drive almost 120 kilometers or 140 kilometers, and we will be there very soon. And you can see the beautiful views here.
See you later. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose.
Nose! Nose! Touch nose!
Touch your nose. If you're happy and you know it, touch your nose.
So now we are here at Hatta, so you can see there as visit Hatta Oman, and we are very close to Oman border. I think just if we drive for like 10-15 kilometers from now, see, you can see Oman here, so we will reach Oman. But I hope we are not going Oman now, because we just saw a reel and then we just follow the map. Let's see now where we will reach. Before the Oman border is just 200 or 300 meter away. From there is a right turn, you have to take that turn, and then you will find it, the Suhaila Dam. I'm just following the car tires marks. So finally we are here, guys. You can see the water and kids are very happy. Akshay, Akshata, Azan. See? Okay, go in the water. Don't go far, Akshata. Just here.
It's okay.
No problem.
Azan is wet and we are having a walk now. We cannot carry Azan because he is too much wet and happy. And now we are going to waterfall. You can see the waterfall from here. Azan, come. We will go to waterfall.
You need to be careful while walking here because see the algae. It's too much slippery. Azan! Love, careful him, careful.
Okay, bye.
Udah nak
We'll go another river. What is the
Mau udah. Sikit saja udah.
You can see the beautiful waterfall here, and we already enjoying it. And I will show you the dam here. The dam is so big. I was thinking it's small. Look at the dam. Woo-hoo. It's completely full now, and that's why the water is falling from here. And we are enjoying here. Look at the beautiful place. Right, Azan hungry.
Come now, we'll change your clothes.
So now we have done for the day. Actually not, we are going to have dinner now. Then we will be going home. And then Azan also repeating after me that he is hungry and he want to eat. Azan, you are hungry? Yay, I'm hungry. Now we will look for a place where we can eat. So now we are here at Tanur and we will be eating here and we are so hungry. Where is the other guys? Yes, we are here. We will eat. Akshant, are you hungry? Akshant, you are hungry? Akshata, are you hungry? Akshant hungry? Yeah, Allah, we will eat here. We have our own room. We will eat here. Guys, are you excited to eat? Azan, you are excited? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Hi, Azan. Hello. Azan is hungry and ready to eat. And they have very, very special ingredients. I think this is oil or ghee, I don't know. And it's very traditional restaurant. We have a beautiful sink to wash our hands. And here is the mosque. Appetizer and some salad. And we are all of us patiently waiting for the main course. I hope they will make it very fast.
Yeah, what happened? Oh, okay.
Hello. Now we are done eating and he is very excited. Hello, Akshan. Yes. Oh. It's okay. Oh. Hey, Akshan. Oh, one. Now the babies are happy and we are full. So guys, we have done eating now and we will be going home. Please make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye guys, bye. Akshat, bye. Azan, bye.